Here's how to cap off a washing machine feed. What you're going to need is a 3/4 cap, blanking cap from any hardware store.
There will be links in the description for tools and materials you need to get the job done. So just click on the link and you'll be able to see the materials and tools you need.
3/4 washers, which I'm using, are these W1 from Inventive Creations. So what you want to do is get your cap and put your 3/4 washer inside, like so. Place that on top. Make sure the washer is flat, and you just want to screw your cap on clockwise. Like so, by hand. Grab yourself some grips and a spanner, and you just want to tighten that up like so. And that's how you cap off a washing machine feed. I hope this video has helped. Please do like it and subscribe.